As an agent like myself and you, it is so important that we are in touch with our clients, knowing what they're doing, and that is an important part of why we use a CRM. So I'm going to give a quick demo to show you what we need to be doing every single day. And if you set up your CRM correctly and you have a good CRM, what you should be getting, which will increase the lead conversion. So at the end of the day, we want to sell homes and, we want to build our dream life, work smarter and not harder. So let me just jump in and show you why we're going to set up a CRM, what your CRM should start to look like, and how we could be logging in every single day and it's starting to tell us what we want to do. Okay, let's get started. So one of the goals of using a CRM system is to be able to interact and see what it is that we're doing with our leads, with our contacts, with our clients. And what I'm scrolling through and showing you here is that I'm looking at what my clients and leads are doing over the past, day, week, days, months, year, etc. in a quick view, right? So we want to be able to see what properties they're looking at, some emails, some texting, and be able to respond quickly. So no matter which CRM system you use, if we can get some insight into what they're doing, it's going to allow us to add more value by saying, I know you were looking at this home, or what did you think of that home? And give them some insight back into it. As well, we can increase our lead conversion because I can call one of them and say, would you like to schedule an appointment? I can stay in touch with them in a better rapport and have a record so that I don't forget what I talked about. So that's some things like, for example, here I can email, I can call, I can text. So we want to reach out to them. Hey, I noticed that you looked at 4 properties. Do we have the right searches set up for you? I can remember that I spoke to this person a day ago, and etc. Or one of my current clients is checking out other homes. Just noticed you were checking the market, keeping a pulse on it, etc. So that being said, the other benefit of a CRM, and here I'm using kvCORE, any system that you use that will be a true robust CRM system should be able to give you this level of activity and information. You should be able to see what are your calls set up for the day so that you come in every single day and know what you're doing. So if you can do this every single day, if you can contact your people, your leads, you have some campaigns set up, and then also go to look and see what your clients are wanting to maybe look at for the day, the activities, then you'll be able to really run and control your business much more professionally and much more successfully with the goal of generating more business and increasing your lead conversion. Again, this is kvCORE. Any system should have this for you. And when you want to do this every single day, that you can, so that you can stay in touch with your clients. All right. So now that you've seen that, the goal I mentioned is to have your system set up so that you're having your clients and your prospects and your new leads being able to look for these homes and having your system connected so that the emails and the texts are all in one place. I do believe that's important to get a smart number. So if you're thinking about that, my answer is yes. And there's other reasons for that, which include lead generation, as well as then they are texting you to that number and not your personal number. All right. So that being said, I hope that was helpful for you. If you are not using kvCORE and you want to know how to get it for free, do me a favor and comment below or email me to kim@kimbarber.com. And for more of these videos, please subscribe to the channel. If you liked it, it's free. Please give me the thumbs up. And I'm going to be doing lots of videos to help you become successful and work smarter and not harder.